Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are all doing well. As you all know, for those who don't know me, I'm Arno Klopper. I'm here from Rustenburg. I'm doing voluntary work here for the Nature Reserve Park here in Rustenburg, which is called Gatswane Nature Reserve Park. Actually, it's Gatswane Mountain Reserve. So yes, very beautiful place, very nice people working here, management are awesome, really nice place. For those that are watching my videos, the previous videos, look at this fields, look at this fields. You can't believe the transformation that happened the last couple of days. I'm here every weekend making videos. Some weekends I'm at Pilanesberg, some other weekends I'm going to Kruger National Park. Sometimes I go to Modikwa. It all depends where they need me. So for this park I'm doing voluntary work, checking poachers. So Gatswane is going through a tough time. People messing up everything, people looting the place, vandalize the buildings, the old buildings, the Kruger buildings that's in the bushes where there's no supervision. Yeah, so it's sad to know. We have also the church people, the religion people that comes from the Rustenburg Kloof side. They also damage the fences, come in to get spring water, and they cut the fences, making illegal fire cause veld fires. So luckily this year we didn't have any major veld fires in Gatswane. Thank God for that. It was a little bit dry, not that bad. The animals is in a very good state. They get looked after very well. So just when the rain season started, you won't believe this grass there was no grass. You can't believe just a little bit of rain, and even today, even now as we speak, I'm getting wet here. So yeah, it's really beautiful. This place is flipping awesome, you won't believe. So yeah, today I'm here just doing some little patrol, walking in the bushes, see if I can see any snares. So normally what you do, the area where I am now currently, there's not really a lot of things going on, but I just want to wander around and see if all the animals are safe. So what I basically do, you choose an animal path, a pathway where they normally walk, and you know that's where they walk. Like you'll see, if you see this little trail here, you see there, so this is where they walk, and then it goes all the way. So normally what you do is you get on that pathway and you just walk it. So in the open there's not really much going on. So choose a place where there's a lot of trees and bushes like this, where you see the animals go through, because that's normally where the snares is. Difficult to spot it, so you need to walk and see. They put wires on the trees to catch the small game. Sometimes big game also get trapped. Yeah, so luckily here not much, only on the other side of the Kloof side, which is the eastern, I think they call it the eastern side. We always have issues there, whereby they poach the animals with firearms. So there was some couple of months ago, even weeks ago, there was also an eland. They poached an eland. So the rangers here, they don't take nonsense. They're really doing a good job. So they managed to retrieve some ballistics, which they ran some tests. So I don't want to talk much about it because I don't want to spoil their case. But yeah, so they're on top of things. We're gonna fight this crime together. Like you see, there's the zebras. There's a lot of zebras here. So yeah, this place is very beautiful. I'm heading towards my vehicle. There is my vehicle in the distance, because it's starting to rain soon. It's dripping now. Soon it's gonna pour on me. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe. Please tell me what what content you like. Tell me what I can do differently, and yeah, let me make more videos for you guys to see what's going on. Unfortunately, some of the other parks where I go, there's rhinos, there's the big five. I can't really, I do make movies, video clips of it, not movies. I'm not a it doesn't sound right, but anyway, I do make some video clips, but I can't post those because of I don't want to give away the positions of the rhinos and stuff, because anyone has access to YouTube. So I don't post anything on social medias. I only make use of YouTube. So, but you don't want to do that, because then you show the poachers where the rhinos are. And we don't want to do that. Graphic content, there's a lot of rhinos that was poached that we encountered. Also, I don't want to post that. It's gruesome. It's gruesome. I'm telling you now, it's not nice. It's terrible. It's terrible that the human being can do such a thing. Slaughter an animal like that. Yeah, it's painful to see things like that. So yeah, there will be a time that I will post some of those things, but not necessarily now. Let me just get permission from those rangers and those parks, because all management are not the same. Gatswane is a very nice place. They've got small game. They don't have the big five. There's no rhinos and stuff, but they do have very nice animal that they like to poach. The sable, they have a lot of them here, and they are beautiful. Really, they are beautiful, beautiful animals. Also, so we're protecting those ones. The elands, nice meat. They club the elands, and then obviously the small game, they get them. So yeah, we are protecting the small game as well. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following me. Now it's starting to rain seriously now. Please be safe. Please like and follow, like and subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you want to see from me, so that I can focus on that. Tell me what I do wrong so I can do better. I can only make this work with you guys' support. I really can't do this alone, and I really like what I'm doing, and I like sharing my findings in my videos with you guys, so that you guys can see what it is all about. So please like and subscribe, and tell me what you think. Sharp guys, I love you, and be safe. Have a nice weekend.